Guys, I want to show you about this temporary shelter house. Anyway, we can see about this temporary shelter house with the dimension around 3 and 5 meters right there. We can see about the exterior. It would this temporary house using metal material of envelopes, and it has knockdown. It has a knockdown structure system of the foundation anyway, so it could be easily to move for everywhere we want anyway, and it could set up for the elevation. So if we put in the contour landscape, it could be adjust anyway with the um, several level right there. It has several dots, and it could be setting up for the elevation between of every single support anyway. So we can look around for the exterior, for the surrounding exterior with another color as we want anyway. So we can see for the another fixture, it has some space for some storage for the storage, some storage for the water system and drainage system anyway, and it has fixed stair right there. Okay, and we can see about the interior layout anyway. We can see about the interior layout. Okay, we can see there about this interior. It absolutely has fire protection right there. It's important for this situation because this house is portable already for the force major anyway, for the force major on the everywhere. Okay, then we can see about the kitchen layout. It's just simple and small kitchen layout with kitchen sink and some space for cooking right there, and with one shelf on the wall, with a corner window, with a right side window and front side window with top hang opening anyway. And we can see for the another side has several shelf for needs for everyday, for daily needs anyway. Then it has small portable table and portable bed area, and it has a two portable bed area. So I mean, it could be maximum capacity of this house maybe for 2 or 3% right there. So then we can look around for the another component. Anyway, this wall is fire resistance anyway. This wall is fire resistant and moist resistant anyway, so it could be responsible for the extreme weather anyway. Then we can look around for the ceiling. It with same material right there. It with same material, and it is about the exhaust fan for the air circulation, for the uh, circulation treatment anyway. Then we can look around for this bathroom, and it seems for the train bathroom anyway. If you have been use a train on the public train, you can see for the train bathroom it's just same like this anyway. Then it has one closet area right there, and it has drainage system of this bathroom. It has shop fixture fountain, tap fountain anyway, and it has a shelf of the soap anyway. Then we can look around for the another side. It has several storage right there. This is anyway, this is about the fireplace right there. So it could be make conditioning about the weather of the winter season anyway. If it on winter season, it could be adjust to take the fireplace to make it on anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. It's just for small explore and review for this temporary house shelter of the tiny house anyway. I hope it will be benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.